Okay, I'm going to attempt to show how to remove the plastic insulation from a ferrule. This ferrule is not attached to this wire at this point. I tested this a few minutes ago with this ferrule, and that is kind of what we're expecting to see. The blue ferrule pulled back from the metal part. So the idea is to put the ferrule on the wire and crimp it. And then with it in the ferrule crimper, I'm sorry about this lighting, I know it's no good. You put your pliers, I'm using needle nose pliers, you put them on there, and then I'm using the ferrule crimper itself to kind of pull against. And when I'm done, I've got some space here so I can go deep into a lever wire connector. So that's not too bad, and the damage done to the wire seems minimal. I don't know about a larger or a smaller wire, how well that'll work, but that's worth a try.